Somebody who can do fake and get to my level, that person is highly professional. Somebody that can be doing fake prophecy, fake vision, fake miracle, and get this large multitude. And the people in America believe you can almost conquer the whole world. That person, that person's fake, eh? That person's fake. He's really, maybe like never in the world. Somebody that can be doing fake and get to this level Ebuka is today. Having branch in the whole world. People living their country, flying in. Down here. Yeah. In this Nigeria, not even in a very good auditorium. AC. When they come, whether from America, they will stay in the sun. They will be in the sun. During the time of pour somebody water, the water did 20 years of who are your Chinese? Anybody doing fake and get to this level I am, and they keep waxing strong in the Lord, that person's fake is very professional. It's something like we have never seen before.
Yes.
That means the world need to study the fakeness of that person. Anybody who is doing fake and the waxing strong is so winning. Millions of people all over the world. Anywhere he says he's traveling, people will be waiting all over. The fake of that person need to be studied very well. Am I speaking to somebody?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Look at accept that God has given this young small boy the grace. Until they accept it, they won't do well. They will keep watching me and keep talking about me.
Yes, sir.
I want a man of God. Before.
It's true, sir.
Papa Onyedepo and the Papa I think Bishop David Onyedepo and Papa Adeboye, where the whole world will come building city. Before Zion minister the first in Ebola.
Yes, sir. Zion will move.
So now I'm happy for your testimony. Okay. The world need to study the fakeness of Zion.
Yes.
To know this fake that make the world to be coming. Somebody came from UK, Tina, on the wheelchair, on the scooter, came here and started walking. The world need to study the fakeness of it. It's not talking on the social media. There was a prophecy about blessing. The news that have spread everywhere in Nigeria. Everybody knows that she said she have cancer. Later she said she doesn't have, the world says, oh, there is evidence that she doesn't have cancer. On national TV, even me saw it. We now prophesy about blessing that have Bobby said. And they say, I'm talking to this one. The news that has spread everywhere. Even me watch the news. No. Just to know, how can they talk down on Ebuka? We don't walk.
If you get more understand is that people are they go against Evangelist Ebuka. Yes, Evangelist Ebuka, nothing will stop your ministry because no matter how people castigate you, Ebu and Ebu achara na edo. Yes, because after time okay, ask check since ke prophet meguri if Evangelist Ebuka meguri. Apart from a perform miracle. Ke prophet no butere ministry ya all the way from Lagos State. Do you know the type of structures Evangelist Ebuka na run go bala carry na Lagos State? Yes, only that state, that bush, that evil forest, only develop. Why some people put on no and I castigate this man of God? Evangelist Ebuka people and achara no matter how you people castigate him, the more people na castigate Evangelist Ebuka, the more can ministry na gafa.